Hey everybody, James Scarlett here. It's Friday. We're celebrating, was it opening day for deer season, so hopefully some of you guys are out there enjoying it. We're working on our mustaches. Fred's got his going. I'm working on mine. And we got the whole team here working on theirs too. Even Miss Linda. Nice mustache, Linda. Say cheers to we're Movemberfest.
November. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
So we're running a promotion right now, and in spirit of Movember, we are going to do a donation. So for every box of dust bags that you guys buy through the link, I think it's going to be like down here somewhere, we're going to donate $10 to Movember. So in case you didn't know, Scarlett does a lot more than just machine tools. We've got some machines going here that you can see all the dust collection, and behind the winding grinder here is Niederman dust collector, and we've got the dust bags down below, and we constantly keep a stock of dust bags in-house. You can see them all stacked up here. So click the button and we'll donate $10 to Movember, and we'll give you a discount off of every box that you buy. So smash that button. Have a great Movember, and cheers.